Hi, my name's Mark Martin from eWarehouse, and today we're going to look at the resources that can be made available through the call management process. Depending upon the type of call or request depends on the resources that can be made available. These also form part of the roles system and workflows, so depending on who you are and where you are within process depends on what resources potentially are available to you. So this is a call 1571, an incident. If we look at that, down the bottom here on the left hand side we have details, the what, the who's, the where, the whys. Below that we have visibility of the SLA deadline, and underneath the relationship tab we have the ability to relate third-party URNs, parent-child relationships, etc. And then across the right hand side we have a set of tabs which are controlled by where we are, as I say, within a workflow. So this moment in time what I'm looking at is the history, which is basically the commentary, but also it forms an integral part of the audit trail. And if I just apply these two filters, as you can see underneath here, what happened when, by whom, is all held within the system. We can also have visibility of customer details, so who we're dealing with, but also down the bottom here we have information of the services and the priorities within there, and also the service levels. Under ownership, we're able to manually transfer calls through ownership. As you can see, this one is primarily owned by Incident Manager. There is a potential also to reallocate, and as you can see here, it shows that John is on holiday, so again it's giving us information, ensuring that we don't park something in a queue where nobody is going to be able to pick it up. Access to knowledge, a simple Q&A, but we can hold documentation, we can point to URLs, and related config items or related assets. This enables us to create a relationship between a physical device, so here EWLP, which is a laptop, and the call incident reference 1571. And if I just click on here, you'll be able to see there's the attributes of the laptop, there's an associated piece of software. So again, it enables to hold information. As well as relationships with equipment, we can have relationships with other calls. So for example, here we have a CRM service issue, which is the problem, and currently there is an incident. This incident is associated with that. Tracking of emails, outgoing, incoming. So this is the recent communication, and we can associate files as well. So as I was saying, depending on the different types of call, depends on the type of tabs that are available. And if I log out from being Incident Manager and log back in as a Problem Manager, and I go here to a problem, for example, pretty much similar setup, but we have, for example, related contacts. So here we have a relationship with Gary Peterson from IBM, obviously something to do with the CRM service. And then if I log out from here and I log back in onto a change, and I pick up the RFC here, what we can see also is that we have CM authorization tab. So again, this enables us to be able to authorize change at a very granular level associated with the computer equipment. So as I was saying, the resources are controlled by the roles, the type of request, and where we are within a workflow.